we've gone over the attention step and the problem need step of the motivated sequence. Now the next step we do, which is in the body, the speech, this will be like your second main point. The next step we do is the solution or satisfaction step. So we're solving a problem or we're satisfying a need. And when you start out with this one, we're looking for persuasion, and we're trying to motivate the audience to action today. And we are also assuming the audience has a latitude of acceptance, which I haven't talked about before, but in social judgment theory, that's where we'd be. And so what we have to do is tell the audience exactly what we want them to do. Don't mince words, don't add words, get right to the point, say exactly what you want the audience to do. Start your solution satisfaction step. It should be starting with the verb and then exactly what you want us to do. So in my case, where I'm talking about the problem of paying for school and then how these other college parents had bought a house, I want you to buy a house. And that would be my solution step right there. It's quick and simple. Buy a house. Eat at Frankenberger. Buy a Chevy Silverado. Go hiking at Mount Rainier, or buy Air Jordans. Something right to the point of exactly what you want us to do. Basically what you do is you take your proposition of policy and you drop off the you should part. All right, and then just say whatever the rest of that proposition of policy is. I guess that's exactly what you do. Is just put that part in. All right, so that's your first slide. Now you support it with evidence and benefits. So what we're doing now is we're going to go through the rest of that part. And all we do in the solution satisfaction step, we tell the audience exactly what we want them to do. If you do this, it'll solve your problem. So we'll buy a house, and then we'll go on and tell all the benefits of buying a house. Okay, and then a lot of the times when you get the benefits, you have your sources of where you learned about those benefits. Okay, so don't forget to have sources in there. We need to build our ethos in here. All right, so the solution step, simply right to the point. Take your proposition of policy, drop off the you should, and tell us exactly what you want us to do. And then support it with material. Give us all the benefits we would get if we took your solution. Okay, and all these benefits should solve the problems above. Solve the problems of not having enough money for college, or not having enough money for tuition, not having enough money for room and board. So we give all those solutions there. So that's all you do. Don't put anything else in the solution step. Just solve the problem. In the problem step, don't put anything about solution up there. Just have the problem we have that your solution will solve. All right.